Good evening, guys. We are back in action at 6:04 p.m. running a 3-winner mini for B's molded face Luke Jetta. There he is. Top 3 win spots in the main, as you can see there. We got 10 spots, and I'm going to copy and paste over here at random to generate our battle and find our winners. Going to roll the dice. Got to get a 5 or better to play. We got a 12. We couldn't be more ready for some mini action. Good luck, guys. Thanks for the support. Here we go. Jimmy takes round 1. Josh 2. Troy takes round 3. Nate 4. Jimmy back on top in round 5. Nate 6. Josh 7. And 8. Greg takes the top spot in round 9. Trey round 10. Jimmy again on top with number 2 in our next to last round, round 11. Bringing us to the final round. I feel like it was just yesterday we started this mini. Here we go, and our winners are Carlos, Nate, and Trey. Congratulations, fellas. Here's the verification. MEAFV. MEAAFV is our verification code. There's the results. I'm done. It's 6:05. There it is. 6:05. One last time, here's the results. Carlos, Nate, and Trey. Congrats, guys. Go over to the main and pick your spots. We'll get this run tonight, hopefully, and find us a winner. See you guys. Thanks.